GKB Opticals launches its revamped flagship store in Bengaluru as a sensory experience destination. GKB Opticals, India's leading premium eyewear retail chain, announces the relaunch of its flagship store in Bengaluru. Located at the city's most prime location, M.G Road, the store is spread across 2,400 square feet. The existing store was revamped in a big way to make it a new-age experiential retail destination merging health, fashion and technology. What sets this store apart is its smart, intuitive layout with 3 specialized zones, each tailored for a specific experience and service. The Myopia Clinic for Children emphasizes early detection and effective management of myopia, offering lifelong eye care through expert consultations and customized treatment. Priyanka Gupta, Director, GKB Opticals, said on the occasion, "The reopening of our flagship store in Bengaluru is a landmark moment in our quest to enhance customer experience with the Vision launch." Mr. Sumit Datta, Chief Operating Officer, GKB Opticals, added, "This marks an exciting new chapter as we relaunch our store with 2 cutting-edge experience zones that transform how customers engage with hearing and vision care." The Widex Audiology Zone is the first of its kind in a retail setting, offering the same trust and expertise that GKB brings to eyewear, now extended to audiology.
With myself, Mr. Sumit Datta, who is our COO of GKB, and Mr. Ajay Mishra, who is our VP, Vice President of GKB Opticals. So today we are here to launch our most iconic store in South region in Karnataka, which is our MG Road Bangalore store. This store is a newly renovated store, and it's been with us for many years, over 15 years. But this time the store has gone through a complete transformation. And with the new store, we have with us a lot of innovation that we have brought, which is one of a kind in India. So the first innovation we have is a dedicated myopia clinic. Myopia, as we see, is a rise that is growing. It's an epidemic that will grow further in India, and as GKB Opticals being the pioneers in vision care in the country, we have launched our first myopia clinic, which provides a full comprehensive eye test, never like any other optical chain in India. Second, we have our lens experience zone, which provides a customizable option of customizing your lens tints to any frame of your choice based on your lifestyle needs. So consumers today have various lifestyle. They like to go on a ski trip. They like to play pickleball. They like to drive. So we have lenses for each and every lifestyle need. And this is one of a kind experience that we provide in MG Road. Absolutely. Thirdly, we have a dedicated myopia facility here. An audiology facility here. We already talked about myopia, but we have an audiology facility here in partnership with a leading brand in hearing aids called Widex. And this provides a remote teleaudiometry test to all our customers who have hearing disabilities. Thank you.